everyone, welcome back to Scam Models with me, your host Mike. Today is an exciting day because we're going to be starting this lovely journey of the Alpine build brought to you by IXO Collections in France. This will be coming to the channel every Wednesday around about 7:30, and obviously this is from France, so obviously as you can see some lovely pictures, but remember, because it's imported from France, it will be in a different language because obviously it's from France. There is ways of translating it. I mean, obviously, if you wanted to, you could type it all up and just print it out or try and sort of translate it in a way. But I will speak to IXO to see whether they can do it, because with some of the other builds they do actually like do the English version online. But as you can see, this is absolutely gorgeous. We won't be, I can't tell you what they say because it's in French, but we're going to have to go by pictures here. I don't speak an awful lot of French, apart from Je m'appelle, j'habite Witten, quelle est la date ton anniversaire, bonjour monsieur, au revoir, un, deux, trois, croissant and all that. But yeah, I was just drawn to this build. It's so lovely. The colour for me, my favourite colour is blue, so yeah. Looks like we're going to be doing some bits and bobs of the hood here, but obviously we'll try our best and we'll get this moving as best as we can. So first things first, we've got our lovely pack here. Oh, I can't wait to get into this because it feels like I should be wearing white gloves, because it just, that colour, it's definitely got to be metallic. Flame with a 4, if you're watching, you work in a car shop, don't you? So if you can tell me what colour this is, that would be brilliant. Obviously we know it's a blue, but I think that's my Amazon driver. Okay, there might be an abrupt cut. But if you can tell me what colour this is, I'm assuming it's a metallic blue. It looks a metallic blue, but if anyone knows the exact colour, do let me know. I think my driver's out there. But we'll crack on anyway. Should be, he might put it through the door, hopefully, through the letterbox. Oh, that's nice. We've got a bit of paper there. Wow. I wonder what that is. Oh, wow. This is lovely. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Look. Right, this is lovely. They've labelled the screws, so that's great. So we'll put that over there. Okay, so first things first, it looks like we've got to... Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my God, look at that, guys. It's actually printed on there. It's not feeling like a sticker. That's on there. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow. It actually feels like it's already on there. It's not like etched or something. Oh, that's lovely. Wow. Sorry. I just can't believe that. Look at this. Oh wow, that's that funny polyester stuff. But what we've got to do, guys, is if we just put this down here, I am looking for a Partwork Upgrades mat. But basically we've got to peel this off like that. So we peel this off, apparently. Let's try this way. Just trying to peel this off. I can't get it off, guys. I can't get it off. Oh man, I haven't got nails. This is the problem. Come on, why won't it come off? Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Took a bit of time to get that off, but I've not known a build to do this before. Normally, like, you get guys like Mike Lane and that to do it for you, but... So we've got 2 holes here. I'm assuming we just fill that up, do we? Or got to get that right down the back. I'm going to go there. I'm going to go all in. If it's wrong, it's wrong. Oh, wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. I mean, there's a bit of a lip at the top, but that's fine. It doesn't matter. Wow, that is really, really lovely. Oh, wow. I've not known a build to do that before. I mean, you can see through it there. There's bits and pieces there, but that's fine. Lovely. Okay, so next thing what we're going to do is we've got these little black things. So we're going to tip this up. There's a bit of a defect there, but we've got these little black things, as you can see. And they basically go into each one of them like that. And you screw that in with an SM screw, apparently. So it's a SM screw. Okay. So far so good. But yeah, I've not known a build to put your own carpet in before. So that's going to go through there. We get to work with this. Oh, this blue screwdriver. I'm in love with this. This is beautiful. I've actually got a collection now. So I was saying in the unboxing video, I've actually got a silver and a red. Silver from Agora, red from Van Home and blue from IXO. There should be more of these collection screwdrivers. Wonder if you can buy them on Amazon or something. Okay, so far so good. Lovely. Let's take that out of the way a minute so you get more shot of this beautiful vehicle. And we'll just screw that in. I think this has to be the only build that I've known to put your own sort of carpet thing in, but that's beautiful. Screws are going in absolutely beautiful. Lovely. So that's that part. Okay, next what we're going to do is we've got ourselves, let's have a look here. We've got like a little clip thing, which is really, really tiny. And trying to get it out. It looks like this, and we want it so that it's something like that, and it's going to go right into the far back over here. Let's just take that down a bit for you, and that's going to go in with an SM screw as well, except I don't have any more SMs left. Oh really? Do they mean SP? Because we've just put 2 into there, so I don't think we can. I think that's probably a typo. They're saying SM, but we don't have any left. Okay, that's annoying. Well, what we'll do is we'll miss that off for the minute. We'll come back to that just in case we don't have enough, but that definitely says there. Oh, right, SP, sorry, that's my mistake. Right, okay, that's why, okay. No problem, we'll take this out. We'll take that out first. We'll put that into there. And then we'll swap it. Sorry about that. I'm not entirely sure what this part here does at the moment, but oh, God's sake. I've not known a build to have one of these things before. So then we'll get the SPs. So that was my error there. I'll just correct that. Let me just put that in there. I was like, we did have them. There we go. I'll just take this one out because that's probably a wrong one as well. So we'll just swap that over, no problem. Be fair with you, they both run in fine, so lovely, that's that one. Okay, lovely. So obviously if we need to move that slightly, I can. It's supposed to be like off centre slightly, so I'll just loosen that off a bit. It's supposed to be like that. But yeah, okay, lovely. So SM back into here so that we don't lose that. Lovely. Okay, so once we've done that, the next part what we have to do is we then have to put this over to one side for the minute, because the next stage is we've got to get these things, which I assume are the headlights. So we've got a left and a right, And this one should have a L or something in there. Let's have a look at the other one. Just seeing if they've got any, like, yeah, this one's got L in it. There is a marking in there, okay, and that one's going to go through there. You can see it's got a key notch there. So I'm assuming they actually go through the back. So they go in like that. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow, baby. I love my cars. So I'll just put that through there. Like that. Lovely. So that's through there. Beautiful. Okay, so once we've done that, that is literally it. That's all it wants us to do. We do have a few other bits, which is this part here. There's another part there and these two parts and some MP screws. What I will do, I'm just going to go back over and double check that we've not left anything out. I don't know why they do this. I like to get rid of all the plastic, so it would have been nice if they could have let us put everything on. But as you can see, that is beautiful. I've never known a build to put our own carpet in, and that is just, they pride themselves on quality here by the looks of it. I mean, you can see there's a little bit of a rim. I think that's how I stuck it. It should have been lifted slightly up a bit further so we could have got in there. But, you know, I can match it up some way and perhaps make an incision down there with a craft knife and then just take this strip off and put it up at the top. But from a distance, you're not going to notice it. I mean, how many times are you going to be, like, opening up the lids? So that is beautiful. I just can't believe that that is, like, on there. It doesn't even feel like a sticker. That's how cool it is. So we'll put that there, because that is the first of the Apline done. That's all we need to do in that issue. As you can see, I'm just going to double check, but as you can see, what we've done here is we've put, oh right, okay. Did we? No, I think that's just a diagram. I don't think we've been instructed to do that yet, but yes, we did. Apologies. What's going on today? I knew I left something out. I'll just sort that out. That's an easy fix. Easy pipsqueak. Because what I can do is I can bring it over and it can just go into there like that, and then I'll just put the screw through it. Apologies about that. So excited about this build, you see, that's the problem. God blimey, this is going to be quite difficult to get in because it's going to be a fiddly git. Where does it go in? Does it go in that way? So I think it goes, I don't think it makes a difference, you know. I'm just going to put it in any way I want. It's going to be one of them fiddly ones. I'll try this side, see if that makes a difference. I hate fiddly bits. The other problem we've got here is this screwdriver is a bit too big for this type of screw. Just gonna see if I can get my screwdriver, just bear with me. I have got a thinner, ooh, not too sure, but I'll go away. Sake, every time I film. Every time I film, my mum does that. You know, what time is the train?